Hello everyone, welcome to Mocktail Plaza. Today I'll tell you one more fancy mocktail. The mocktail name is Red Moon. Okay, how to make that Red Moon mocktail? Very simple mocktail you can try. First of all, take a shaker glass. Then you have to add 5 to 10 ml of lime syrup. After that, you have to pour 15 ml of rose syrup. Just pour 15 ml of rose syrup. Then you have to pour 60 ml of apple juice. Here 40 ml. One more. Yeah. 60 to 90 ml of apple juice you have to pour. Then you have to add some ice cube. Okay. Then you have to shake. You can add some more ice cube for this mocktail. Don't have to shake. Okay. After that, see, this is the chilled martini glass. Already I added ice cube. Then you have to throw the ice cube. Okay, you have to take the chilled martini glass. Then you have to take that Hawaiian strainer. Then you have to strain all the ingredients into the the fancy color came. Okay, then simply you have to decorate the garnish with mint leaf, and you can garnish with an umbrella also. Yes, see, your fancy mocktail is ready. This is the red moon mocktail. I hope you like this mocktail. Thank you very much for watching my video.